Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 10X and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and here on the left upper corner you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to turn on the Wi-Fi you should tap once here on the Wi-Fi icon, and as can you see the icon is green, so that means that you just turn on the Wi-Fi. And just then to select one from the available networks you should hold for a while this icon, and as can you see we just launched the Wi-Fi settings and networks. And if you want to just turn it off, just you should tap here once again on the switcher, and that's it, on this icon, sorry. And the second way, you just should go into the settings application and then tap on the Wi-Fi. Here just tap once on the switcher to activate Wi-Fi on your device, and here as can you see we got all of these available networks. For example, I can go with the first one, with the first network. So I just tap there, and here you should enter your password. I'll do it back of the screen, sorry, of the camera. And now as can you see our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select another network if you want. And now just if you want to select another one, you just should tap here on this icon, and here as can you see we can just remove this network to forget the password. And now just we can select another one, and then just if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, just tap here once again on the Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.